Hey friends, it's me, Rachel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial and review on this Gen Nude Floral Utopia palette. I've been seeing these a lot on Ulta's website, and I just really wanted to pick one up. I just think they're really pretty. You can kind of see this one's basically like it says flower tones. And I wanted to do a little review for you guys. I primed my lids with Milani primer potion, or Milani eyeshadow primer. I don't know why it came out like that. I'm going to take the lightest shade in here, which I believe is called... So I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone and a little bit onto like the crease area, just to kind of help stuff blend a little bit more up there, because that's what I'm going to do. Start off with. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here and place this in the crease, but I'm going to blend it out to make it not as harsh of a color, to lighten it up. This is actually a concealer brush, and I just found, I've known this for a while, but I just got back into doing it, but I just really like these for the crease. I feel like it's so much more precise, like if you really just want some color in the crease, but it also works really well for blending. Makes sense that it's a concealer brush. Okay, now we have this shade blended out on our lid, our crease area, and I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here, just like the tiniest bit, and I'm going to put it as close to the lash line as I can. But still put it in the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to take this purple shade kind of, and I just kind of want to play with this. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to turn out, but I just really want to mess with this shade, and I think I'm just going to kind of put it, I don't really know. We're going to try something. I'm going to just kind of finish. Basically my concept is I'm going to just put it here closer to the lash line to kind of help darken that up, and then do something else on the rest of the lid. Alright, I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo pencil, and it is in the shade Sparkly Nude. And put most of this on the inner corner, and then drag it through the lid, and then I'm going to take a shadow and put it on top. Now I'm going to put this shade right on top of it. It's like this kind of pearly, corally shade. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with this first shade and go back onto the brow and blend that out. There is a fluff on my brush. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara today. This is this Pacifica Big Dream Big eyeshadow. This is the Pacifica Dream Big mascara. And then for my lower lash line, after I put the mascara on, I'm going to put this. I'm going to take this shade right here, and then that will be using all the shades in this palette. I'm going to put this on the lower lash line. So that is the tutorial with the Gen Nude by BareMinerals Floral Utopia. Like I said, I seen a whole bunch of these on Ulta's website, and I went through them and kind of picked one. I have a couple more in my favorites, so I probably might get some more because I really like this. Naturally, with a smaller palette, you're not going to get the look or variety that you want, but you can definitely do just like 2 shadows and be good, 3 shadows, you know. You don't have to use 6 like I did. But that is the tutorial. It's just a little mini review / tutorial on this palette. Give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!